Alright guys, Bubba and Brian are working on getting the engine pulled out of the 3rd gen from Michigan, the Mega Cab, the blue customer truck. So let's go see what they're doing. Well, what we got going? Mystery fluids. What's this do?
This guy took color matching to a whole new level. We got blue coolant.
Blue coolant?
It's not right for this truck. And then we had blue washer fluid.
Okay.
It had a paint match bumper.
Had a paint match bumper. We lost that on the interstate somewhere. About to get this engine out though. She's got some pretty good parts already in there. Need to give her some love though. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Are you looking at what I'm looking at?
What is there to look at?
I mean, it's a 6.7 with stock head bolts.
You don't need that.
Woo-wee, this man's brave. It don't matter, this motor's coming out anyways.
Heard it had a nice crank.
It's got a really nice crank for sale. If anybody wants to buy it, DM me or the customer.
We'll make a cool like table.
Yeah, we'll make a
Brian already got dibs on it.
Make a lamp out of it. Yeah, no, Brian's gonna put it in his 12 valve. He'll use this crank and.
Brian's got a 12 valve, 24 valve. Some people don't know that.
Yeah, some people don't know that Brian's actually Cummins Jesus.
He's got a 24 valve, but it identifies as a 12 valve.
Oh yeah. You mean the 24 valve that he's making a 12 valve 2G swap for?
And you put a deck plate on it.
And it's deck plate.
20's deck plate with 6.7 crank.
But a 12 valve head.
Is that a 6.9 liter? Where are we at?
But we can't do math. We didn't go to school.
5.2 liter.
Actually, you did go to school. All right, let's get this engine out though. I'm curious to see. Well, I mean, we know what the damage is. I think besides the crank though, the engine's fine. Yeah. But we got to decide what we're gonna do.
It still runs really good. It just
I mean, yeah, I was about to say it's not gonna trans in it though.
It don't go.
Trans is in the bed, I think.
Yeah, park doesn't work. We couldn't figure it out.
Yeah, park for some reason won't hold. Wow. I think that's one of them fire punk doohickeys, ain't it?
Is it gold?
It's gold. Either that or somebody really liked gold spray paint. Brian, that was your transmission. Guys, as you can see, the boys got the engine pulled out of this girl. She has had better days. So the reason we were pulling this engine, the customer brought it down, said it had a bad crank. He is not wrong. This crank is wallered out. There's no threads. That flex plate obviously came loose and messed a lot of stuff up. So we got the engine out. We are going to send it to the machine shop. They're going to put a crank in it, probably some new bearings and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to the customer, see what he wants to do. He might want to go ahead and put rods and stuff in it while it's apart, but we're gonna get this thing sent off and hopefully get it back within a couple weeks. And once we get it back, we'll get the engine slapped back in and see if he wants us to do any more mods while it's here. So really pretty truck though. Like I said, he's already got a built 68 sitting back here. Looks to be a fire punk trans. Was already 2G swapped. Left some mystery fluids on our floor, but we're gonna get this build going. Just thought I'd give you all a small update on this one. It's not really one we're gonna film a whole lot for the channel. Just wanted to show you all that we do, you know, regular stuff on a daily basis as far as pulling engines, transmissions, stuff like that. We don't just build show trucks. All right, guys, another day in the shop. Got me and Bub about to do an install. Got the shop all cleaned up for once. Big girls outside, single cabs outside. We're about to pull it in and take the front bag mount off because there's some powder chipping on it and we can't have that. We'd be looking rough. Also, gave us a new wheel, slight spoiler. I'll go ahead and cover that up and then y'all have to, you know, stay tuned to find out about that. But also, why is there a dually bed here, you might ask? Don't know. Gonna move past that situation. But we got the new Mega out here. About to do an install of our fuse box cover just to show y'all how easy these are to put on. These are available on our website. I have plenty in stock. I even have powdered ones in stock. And if you don't see, well, we kind of keep the generic colors in stock. We got like purple, teal, red, blue, and white. I've got 3rd gen and 13 and up, 4th/5th gen ones. But here's kind of what you get when you order one. I kind of wanted to bring it out here. So you get a white backing plate or whatever color you order. And then your top plate is going to be mirror stainless and it's going to have a film on it. You install it, you pull the film off, voila. Looks good. It also comes with all stainless hardware and stuff. You literally just drill 2 bolts in your little plastic fuse box cover. But let's give them the old install, bub. Show them what they've been missing in their life. Oh yeah, y'all ready for this? They don't even know what's under the hood. You ready?
Yeah, let's see it.
1,200 horsepower. All right.
12 valve.
Yeah, it's a 12 valve. I guarantee there's at least 12 valves. It does have this painted wiper cowl from Garrett though. That's kind of snazzy, ain't it? Might have to steal that for another truck.
I'm trying to call you out. That ain't a wiper cowl. That's a wiper cowl.
Oh God, I did just call that a wiper cowl. You got me there, bub. I ain't even gonna lie.
Well, I didn't call you out. Somebody's gonna
Yeah, somebody was gonna call me on the comments.
sound like you're breaking it.
Yeah, it'll sound like it's breaking. You take said fuse box cover off.
Let's clean it.
We gonna give her the old tire shine, the old spit shine, the old woo wee. All right, take said plate.
Center plate.
Center plate. Mark holes of said plate.
That's the only one I drag off.
Nah, it'll be okay. What size drill bit, bub? 1/4 inch drill bit.
Watch the fingers.
Go through your fuse box cover. I hate to say it, afterward you're not gonna be able to read what was ever on the bottom, but that don't matter. We don't need that. So while Bub's finishing that custom install, I'll kind of explain this a little more. We also keep our fender brace kits with us at shows. These fits in Cummins as they replace your factory fender braces under the hood. A lot of people thought that these might brace somewhere else, but no. They go under the hood and over the batteries. The factory ones are really, really ugly, and these fabricated ones are pretty cool because you can add 2 colors. You can powder that badge or leave it the polished stainless. So, yeah, we usually have those with us, and we have a couple powdered sets, usually in generic colors like white and black and teal and stuff like that. And then we usually have, like I said, the 06 to 09 and the 2013 Plus in a couple powdered colors. But if you have a certain color you want, we do keep raw ones with us. So you can take it home and have your powder guy powder whatever color you want. All right. Now, once you've got your holes drilled and your cover bolted on, you just slap that little doohickey back in there. Close your cover. Now, give him the money shot. Give him the money shot. Oh, baby.
It's not gonna peel.
Look at that stainless. Don't forget to pee. Ladies and gentlemen, it's just that easy. Now, for a lot of people asking, we are going to build more 15 parts. We are working on a mirror kit right now. So, calm. We have not forgot about our 15. All right, single cab's chilling. We got the steps on Big Girl yesterday. Let's take a look at that. Got a big surprise. Also, we'll talk about what's going on with that here in a minute. But yeah, we got the steps and the handles done on Big Girl. And ladies and gentlemen, it ain't that deep Anyone asking about that, we have dropped stickers and I have shirts coming that say it ain't that deep and with this truck on it. So if you are wanting to support the cause of It Ain't That Deep, which is actually the name of this truck now, and anyone wondering what that means, like, it has like 15 different meanings, but it's just mostly to piss people off. And I don't know, it's a saying I've said for a long time, and it just kind of stuck. So we put it on a t-shirt and on a truck. So we got Big Girl's interior back in her. Still got to work out the shifter. Got to do a starlight. Got to finish up some other stuff. But she's looking a lot more complete. Got the powdered steps back on it. And now this is getting ready to head to Travis over at Joy Designs for some fab work. Travis has been a friend of mine for a while and a big supporter of the company. So I'm going to bring him some fab work. We will be offering fab work ourselves here in the future, but we're still lacking some equipment and stuff like that. So we are going to let Travis handle this one and do what he does. He is a genius. He is a very, very talented fabricator. So we're going to be taking Lucas Miller's 3rd gen over to Travis, and hopefully it turns out badass. All right, guys. Got the old single slab on the lifts. About to take these brackets off. Kind of got the 4-link supported, and we're going to let all the air out of the bag so we can get it off. But I think we need to potentially repowder the sway bar too. It looks like it needs some love. This side looks fine, but the other side, no, see, it's like showing through. I'm pretty sure, I don't think our boy Chad powdered that. I think this was all somebody else. We used to have a couple different powder guys, and like some of the powder is holding up, some of it's not. You can tell like that there's different people that have done different things, but we're gonna get all of it off and fixed. The biggest problem that was irking me is this bag mount started to flake, and I haven't had time to take it off. It looks like garbage. So we're gonna take all the bag mounts off and repowder them. Also, I am getting a new one of these. I'm getting this one repainted. So calm down, everybody that picked that out at the last truck show. I'm sorry, guys. Every inch of the truck's painted and a rock hit it. Like, heaven forbid they have to point out a rock chip.
We should quit it.
I think we should quit building trucks because rocks hit us, man.
Can't hold up.
Yeah, our paint can't hold up to a rock at 90 miles an hour. But let's see. Yeah, Bo. So we're gonna hit that button. Our air management's gonna come on. What we're gonna let all the air out of these bags in the front where Bubba doesn't have any grenades. Bub, you think I should let the back down any?
Absolutely.
Okay. Probably gonna go ahead and air out the back. Yeah, Bo.
When you let the front down, the rear just shot toward the sky.
Yeah.
It's straight up in the air.
So
we need to lift the lift tire.
Yeah, we do need to lift the lift up some. But for anyone that hasn't ever seen the interior on the single cab, we still got the plastic on it and stuff. And it does have the big screen. Got the digital mirror. Bunch of weird options. 598 miles. That's why we still love her. Just because she don't do nothing. Sorry, Bub. Turned your fan off. All right, guys. So this is something you should consider before you build a show truck. Like I said, this truck has 500 miles. And you can see the bag mounts are chipped to hell now. A lot of this is just improper powder coat. But you need to keep in mind, if you're gonna powder everything on your truck or do something this extensive, like this truck has 500 miles. If you were to drive this every day, I mean, you can just imagine how long this stuff would last. So this is kind of the part that people don't tell you when you're building nice stuff. Bub's about got the sway bar off. Overall, though, besides the bag mounts, I mean, she looks good. And the sway bar. I think we're going to get the air management done for the big truck this week. Or at least we need to. I'm tired of looking at it, aren't you, Brian?
Yeah, very tired of it.
Let's get it, Bo. All right, guys, we almost got the air management wrapped up. We've been putting all the loom, all the finishing touches on the air management that we're going to be running. Got our dump valves ran. Got our supply and our dumps, the compressors, the pressure switch. We're about to wire everything. We need a couple more fittings because I ordered the wrong things, because who lets me order everything? I think Amazon screwed us.
I think I'm cutting your pay.
All right, deal. I don't even take a check. All right, maybe I do. But, yeah, we got that done. I need to put the big girl back inside before it rains, too.
Oh, it's fixing to.
It's fixing to pour.
Storms are brewing.
Storms are brewing. So our next show is Rocky Top Diesel Shootout. When is that? End of July? July 28th, 29th? We're going to have all the trucks out there. Actually, we're going to have all 4 fifth gens, because I'm going to be driving the new build, and then I'm going to drop these 3 off because they'll all be cleaned and they'll be ready to go to the event. So if you're at Rocky Top Diesel Shootout, you will not miss us. We'll be right beside Air Dog. We'll have plenty of merch. My mom will be there running the booth, and I'll be there most of the day too. Probably running around on a golf cart goofing off, but I'll be there. But yeah, come by the booth, say hi. We're gonna have tons of fuse box covers, fender braces, and all the trucks with us. So, see y'all.